Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5089573 or KB5092427 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to simply restart your computer. Do not ignore this step. Restart your PC, and after the system restart you can update your Windows 11 and then you can check. Still not working? The next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Copy the first command, paste it over here. This will stop the Windows Update service. Once done, copy the second command. This will rename software distribution folder. Paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Once done, copy the third command. This will restart the Windows Update service once again. And once done, you can run the last command, which will create a new software distribution folder. Once this is done, now you can restart your computer. Once this is complete, you have to restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? Then type in services in Windows search box, click on services, and then find app readiness. Make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now once done, find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update, and over here if you see retry option, you can click on check for update or retry and then you can check. Still not working? Then go to Windows settings once again, go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. Hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume update and let the update install and then you can check. Still not working? Run these three commands. These commands are also provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt app. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key and let the scan complete. The scan will take some time. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. And once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working? You can use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, whichever update you are unable to install. For example, KB5089573. You can write down the name of the update over here and then click on search. Now on this page, before you install anything, check your Windows version. So type in WinVer in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command and then check your version. In my case it's version 25H2. So check your Windows version and then open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option, check your system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. This is the right one for you. For me, if you have Windows version 24H2, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download. Now click on KB5089573, click on the update and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working? Close all third-party application. Make sure only the update is running. Rest close everything, all the application, everything. If you have any anti-cheat program like Faceit anti-cheat, Riot Vanguard, any kind of anti-cheat program, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and try again. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to advanced option, go to recovery option Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. Still not working? The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next. Click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.